Hey everyone, welcome to the channel Interesting Biology. Today we'll be discussing sexual reproduction events, specifically fertilization events. So if you want notes of this video, it is in the description box below. So without further ado, let's begin. Fertilization is the second event in the process of sexual reproduction. Fertilization is a process of fusion of male and female gametes which leads to the formation of a diploid cell known as zygote. So this results in the formation of the first diploid cell. Diploid cell means the ones which has 46 chromosomes or which is represented by 2n. So the first cell that is formed after fertilization is known as zygote. Now there are two types of fertilizations. The first being external fertilization and the second being internal fertilization. Now as the name suggests, external fertilization takes place in an external medium outside the body of the organism. Means it is not within the body of the organism but somewhere outside. And in internal fertilization, fusion of gametes take place inside the body of the organism. So in this case, there is some external medium, whereas in internal fertilization, there is no external medium. Whatever happens inside the body of the organism. Now, second point in external fertilization is that large number of gametes are released in the surroundings. Now, there is a reason why this happens. This is because when gametes are released in the external environment, a lot of external factors like adverse weather conditions and such may result in destruction of the gametes. So in order to prevent the chances of not getting of the gametes not getting fertilized, a large number of gametes are released, so that even if like 10,000 gametes are released, at least 5 or 10 will reach 5 or 10 male gametes will reach the female gamete, just in case if the male gamete is the only motile one and the female gamete is non-motile. For example, in bony fishes, frogs, etc. In fishes and frogs, both of the cases, water is the external medium because they release their gametes in water. And in internal fertilization, less number of ova produce because number of male gametes produced is more, but only few reach the ovum. Like in birds and mammals, like in human beings also, only a single ovum is formed. However, a lots of sperms are released, and only very few sperms reach the female gamete. Now this is another special case known as parthenogenesis. In some lizards, birds, honeybees and rotifers, female gamete undergoes developmental changes to form offspring without fertilization. This is called parthenogenesis. In parthenogenesis, fertilization does not even occur. Without fertilization occurring, the female gamete only undergoes some changes which results in the formation of offspring. For example, in honeybee queen, 32 chromosomes are present. During development of egg in queen, diploid cell with 32 chromosomes divide to form haploid cell or gamete with 16 chromosomes. So here meiosis happens, and from 32 chromosomes, 16 chromosomes are present in the gamete. This haploid cell forms a new offspring called drone without fertilization. Now there is no fertilization involved. The offspring called drone is formed only from 16 chromosomes cell. We'll read about this in chapter 5 in detail, where everything about the honeybee and how the generations go on, everything is described over there. So let's end this video here. In the next video, we'll be discussing about post-fertilization events, which will probably be the last video of this chapter. So if you like this video, give it a like. If you think it was helpful, share it with your friends. And if you want more of this type of videos, subscribe to the channel Interesting Biology. And I'll see you all later.